Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing some acrylic pouring. We're going to be making some flip cups, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using Neon Rose, Titanium White, and Bright Blue by Artist Loft. These are all pre-mixed, ready to pour paints. You just shake the bottle and they're ready to pour, and you can get these at Michael's. I am going to be adding some silicone oil to the bright blue and the neon rose. I'm going to be using this Artist Loft brand silicone oil, adding 3 drops to each of my colors here. That's why I'm putting them in separate cups. I'm going to give these a good mix, and I'm not adding any silicone oil to the titanium white. I'm going to be repouring these tiles that I had made previously. And I'm going to add my cups right here. The cup on the right, we're going to do titanium white on the bottom, then the neon rose, then the bright blue. And the cup on the left, we're going to do bright blue on the bottom, then the neon rose and the white. I wanted to see how different they would turn out depending on what color you had on the bottom of your cup. And I had a little bit of the neon rose left, so I'm just adding that around my cup here on the pour, or on the tile on the left. We're going to lift up our cups and give it a tilt, and I'm not doing anything special here. I'm just making sure that the paint is covering the entire top of the tile and the sides and the corners. Same thing on the cup on the left. Just going to lift up my cup here and make sure that everything has good coverage. The combination of these two products, the Artist Loft brand pouring paints and the Artist Loft brand silicone oil, will give you nice cells every single time you use it, so definitely try it out. And now I'm going to go in with my torch, and you can really see those fun cells start to develop. These two products are really great for cells. I've done a lot of testing on my channel using different brands of silicone oil, and the combination of these products works every single time. So definitely try them out, but it has to be the Artist Loft brand silicone oil and the Artist Loft brand pouring paints. You can get them at Michael's. I'll link them down below in the description box. Here's how they're looking. These cells will continue to grow as the paintings sit. So what I'm going to do is let these sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'll show you how they're going to turn out. So here we are about 15 minutes later, and this is how they're going to dry. The cells aren't going to grow anymore after this. I really love how this one turned out. This was the one where we had the titanium white on the bottom of our cup. And this one here, I feel like I should have tilted it because some of these tiny cells would have expanded a bit if I would have tilted it. So I wish I would have tilted this one a little bit more after I hit it with the torch. I did do another set of pours, and I'm going to be posting that video tomorrow. And I did tilt those ones after I hit them with the torch, and you'll see how different they turn out. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. I'm going to be posting that tomorrow. I'm going to let these guys dry, and I'll show you how they turned out. So here we are. It's now 48 hours later. They're all nice and dry. This one is my favorite of the two. It's the one that we put the white on the bottom of the cup. I think these colors are really fun together. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I really love doing flip cups with these paints and the silicone oil. You do have to clean the silicone oil off before you do resin or any type of varnish. So I'll be sure to link my video showing step by step how to clean how I clean the silicone oil off of these pieces. Be sure to go check it out. I'll link it down in the description box. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. This one turned out really cool too. It has a lot of fun cells. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go check out a few more of my other videos. That really helps out my channel a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites right here at the end card screen. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye guys.